The University of Law in the UK, which is a profit-based organization, is engaging law and business organizations in Ghana to partner with them and to further expand their businesses and law fraternity. This is part of its plan to provide professional help to Ghanaians and postgraduate legal education to Ghanaian students. Now, the event was marked by some very distinguished guests. We saw people like the regional director. We saw one of the global university systems representing the University of Law, Messi Akanimo, who also ran a brief presentation on the university and the wide range of opportunities available to lawyers as well as even those who are not lawyers by this university. Now, according to her, the university's history when it comes to law, it spans over 100 years, and according to her, it has trained over 80,000 alumni. So that's a lot of law practitioners that are coming out of that university. Now, this event came together by Miss Akanimo, and it was held in Accra, where some top business executives, as well as lawyers and people interested in the law industry, were present. Most managing partners of some law firms in Ghana also attended, especially those private law institutions. Now, Mrs. Akanimo also spoke about this law university in the UK as an avenue for students to further their academic pursuits in law and also in business. Representatives of the institutions who were present interacted with the media and with many who wanted to know about the need to further affirm Ghana's cause to broaden legal education so that it could make the study of law attractive to everyone. Remember that in the past we've spoken about how sometimes law is not very attractive because we don't get it from the grassroots, we don't even get it in any part of our basic systems. And that is one thing I personally thought was not very cool. I mean, until high school, nobody learns anything about law, and it's not really incorporated in social studies or in government like it's supposed to. And this is what we not only me and most of us in here were speaking about. There's the need for us to put law also in the basic system, not like the in-depth law, but at least just the surface type of law. Things to do with rights, responsibilities, things to do with coverage of how to go about certain law stuff. We feel like as a nation we are not really doing much on the basic level when it comes to law. Now, also addressing the legal stakeholders and students, Mrs. Akanimo revealed the potential opportunities available for students who are admitted into this university. There was also a professor of the UPSA, Goshki Alabi, who revealed that her daughter is currently a student of the University of Law in the UK and has been able to get some good experience and is really receiving guidance so she can enter into her working space and do more with what she's learned. According to her, the University of Law is a great school. It also has the right background experiences for some of these students who would like to experience things the real way. And it also has some of the resources and some of the best resources and a social network that it takes to prepare students for the world of work. Her daughter, who is a student there, is receiving those experiences and has gotten it in a very short while. And according to her daughter, says it's a very phenomenal thing to be in the school. Now, this University of Law in the UK was founded in 1962 and was previously called the College of Law of England and Wales. It's mainly for profit. It's a private university in the United Kingdom. It provides law degrees. It also provides, specialist legal training. And also, for those who want to continue professional development courses, it provides that as well. Even for British barristers and solicitors, it has something for them as well. This University of Law serves as an avenue for students to further their academic pursuits in law and in business also. So, for those of you in Ghana who may be interested in, doing law or in furthering law, just know that this University of Law, which is UK based, is now reaching out to Ghanaians to partner with them and to work with them. So for those of you who like to go international, or maybe not necessarily go international, but to get the feel of the way law is outside there, and to get one or two things up your sleeve to add to your law training, just know that the University of Law in the UK is holding a networking event for people like you, and it's allowing people like you to work with them. They will provide you the professional and postgraduate legal education you need if you're a Ghanaian student, and you receive all that you want. I also saw some people commenting about the need to bring in more ladies. We need to get more and more ladies involved in our law systems, because since they are seen as the weaker vessels, we think they need to have even more of an understanding and more of an experience of what all these law things are about, so that they are not bullied in places where females have no idea of what is supposed to be. Many places, some ladies who are ignorant of their rights and who are ignorant of what the law is and what they are supposed to be receiving and what they are supposed to stand on, are kept in the dark and are suffering the consequences of this ignorance. So it will be part of their plan to help any lady or any female who's interested in broadening the horizon scope of law and understanding just maybe the legislature, just understanding systems, understanding how things work, understanding how the nations, different nations span law, understanding what goes into play to make certain things possible in the law industry. So if you're a lady, maybe you're a young girl, maybe you're even in high school, just don't worry. Just know that this opportunity is available. Maybe you may know someone who also is interested in law, or who may be interested in furthering law outside Ghana. Please let the person be aware that this University of Law in the United Kingdom is giving out this opportunity to those who may be interested. So that is it. Let's get our people, our students, and our girls, our ladies, our women to be a part of this and to benefit from it, not just for themselves but for the nation as a whole. Okay, so thank you very much for listening. Let us hear your comments in the section below about what you think about law in this nation, about law in the UK, about the difference, about which one is more effective, and some similarities you find among them, or anything at all. You could even let us know what you feel about this University of Law, which has decided to now open arms to Ghanaians and Ghanaian students. Thank you very, very much for listening, and have a very, very nice day.